In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage projects in Smartsheet step by step using built-in templates to quickly set up a structured and professional project management system. If you're new to Smartsheet or looking for a better way to organize timelines, tasks, and teams, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to get started. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important setup tips. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Smartsheet tutorials and project management guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com, then log into your account. Once you're inside Smartsheet, you'll land on the Home dashboard. This is where you can access your sheets, reports, dashboards, and workspaces. To start managing a new project, click on the Create button. You'll usually find this on the left-hand side or near the top of the dashboard, depending on your layout. Clicking Create opens a panel with different options for starting something new in Smartsheet. Next, click on More Options. This expands the available creation choices and gives you access to additional templates and advanced setup tools. Using templates is one of the fastest and most efficient ways to manage projects in Smartsheet because they come pre-built with task lists, timelines, and tracking columns. After clicking More Options, select View All Templates. This will take you to the template gallery, where Smartsheet provides a wide range of professionally designed templates for different industries and workflows. At the top of the template gallery, you'll see a search bar. Click into the search bar and type in the word Project. This filters the templates and shows you all project-related layouts, including project trackers, Gantt charts, agile boards, and portfolio management tools. From the results, click on Project Management Office. This template is ideal if you're managing multiple projects or want a structured overview of timelines, milestones, budgets, and responsibilities. It provides a centralized system that helps you monitor progress and keep everything organized. Once you click the Project Management Office template, you'll be prompted to use the template. Confirm the selection, and Smartsheet will generate a new sheet based on that template inside your workspace. Now let's quickly go over how to use it to manage your projects effectively. Inside the template, you'll see rows representing tasks or project items and columns for key details such as start date, end date, duration, owner, and status. Begin by renaming the sheet to match your project or department name so everything stays organized. Next, start entering your project tasks row by row. For each task, fill in the start date and end date. Smartsheet can automatically calculate durations depending on the column setup. Assign each task to a team member using the contact column. This ensures accountability and makes it clear who is responsible for what. Update the status column as work progresses. You can typically choose options like Not Started, In Progress, At Risk, or Complete. Keeping this updated gives you a real-time overview of your entire project. If your template includes a Gantt view, switch to Gantt view to see a visual timeline of your project. This helps you identify overlaps, dependencies, and deadlines at a glance. You can also drag and adjust taskbars directly in the timeline to reschedule work quickly. For higher-level tracking, the Project Management Office template often includes summary sheets or dashboards. These provide a portfolio view where you can monitor multiple projects in one place. This is especially useful for managers overseeing several teams. You can also customize the sheet by adding new columns for budget tracking, priority levels, risk assessment, or approval status. Smartsheet is highly flexible, so you can tailor it to match your exact workflow. To collaborate with your team, click the Share button in the top right corner. Enter email addresses and assign permission levels, such as viewer, editor, or admin. This allows your team to update tasks in real time, keeping everything centralized and up to date. And that's how you manage projects in Smartsheet using templates. By starting with the Project Management Office template, you save time, stay organized, and create a scalable system for tracking tasks, deadlines, and team responsibilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.